In this staircase, we're using Highland Stone step units. If you use Highland Stone wall units, you'll need to top them with caps or pavers. That's also true of other Anchor multi-piece systems. See specific product installation details. Start by making a bench cut into the hill and terrace the slope according to your plan. Excavate for the leveling pad. The trench should be 24 inches wide and 12 inches deep. An aggregate leveling pad is made up of compactable base material, 3/4 inch minus, with fines. Build the leveling pad in 2 3-inch lifts and compact with a hand tamper or plate compactor. Extend the pad 6 inches in front and behind the base course and make sure it's at least 6 inches deep when compacted. Use a stake and string to establish the center of your steps. Then lay the first unit of the base course, leveling front to back and side to side as you go. Make sure each unit is on the bubble before moving on to the next. All the units of the base course should be well positioned in the leveling pad. Work from the center to each side, and remember to backfill and compact behind and in front of the base course. Snap or cut a wall unit and place half on each end of the step to begin the transition to the base course of the wall. Place the remaining wall units according to your plan. After backfilling and thoroughly compacting, you're ready for the first course of exposed steps. There's no setback to this first course, so knock off the lips of the unit with a hammer and chisel if you're installing wall units for steps. Apply concrete adhesive and place the step units directly on top of the base course. Stagger the joints to maintain running bond. Snap or cut step units to complete the row and make the transition to the wall. Fit these transition pieces tightly, remove the lip as needed, and glue them into place. Continue building the wall by placing each unit down and sliding it forward until the lip meets the block below it. Add clear aggregate behind the wall units and leveling pad aggregate behind the step units. Be sure to compact thoroughly behind each course. For the second step course, you'll need to know the tread depth specified in your local building code. The process after that is fairly repetitive. Place a bead of adhesive on the back edge of the installed step. Place the center unit of the new step at the determined tread depth, staggering the joint to maintain running bond and overlapping the previous course. Place additional step units working toward the ends, leveling each unit front to back and side to side. Split or cut the transition piece, remove the lip, and glue. Then continue with the wall course. Install the drainage rock, backfill, and compact thoroughly. For the third step in all remaining courses, it's the same process. Install the leveling pad, compact, glue the edge, center and overlap the first unit, level it, place additional units tightly together, make the transition pieces, complete the wall, backfill, and compact.